All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I just wanted to go over how much electricians make on unemployment, and it's probably going to vary on several different things, starting with how much money you make normally and how many hours you have been working. So I think the last time that I filed this claim, it was from the last time I got laid off like 3 or 4 months ago. And so this is probably based off 30 to 36 hour work weeks. If I was working 40-hour weeks, then it would be higher weekly money. Because I think the last time, a couple years ago, I was laid off, I was getting about $740 a week. But now, because I was only working 30 to 36 hours a week, I'm only getting $727 a week. And by only, I just mean less money than normal. So as you can see, once you open up your claim right here, this is the Washington State Unemployment website, and I already clicked on my claim, but if you go back one page, it looks similar. You have all these things here with your address, all that other stuff. So I opened up the claim already. As you can see, I'm getting $727 a week, which is pretty comfortable, which covers all my monthly bills and leaves me about $1,000 extra per month in case of anything else. Next, you will go over here. Actually, I want to say one more thing first. So you're probably going to get on unemployment around 50 to 70% of what you normally make. If you calculate this right here according to what I normally get, actually I might need to recalculate that. I usually get about $1,300 a week. From the union, I was doing old non-union numbers. So if you go 727 divided by 1,300, that's about 56%. So you're gonna average about 50 to 65%. So if you're making $1,000 a week normally, you'll probably get around $500 to $650 a week. So it is a decent amount. Like I said, depends on where you live, how much money you normally make, and how many hours you usually work. But over here on my decision status, this was because last time I was unemployed, right after I finished, they declined me, auto declined me because someone said I was making retirement money while I was not working. So that might have been something I accidentally clicked on. So that was pending in here, and then it was confirmed over here in the decision status that they reapplied me for unemployment. And then they got my benefits right here. So they pay me weekly $727, how much I have used right here, and then over here how much I have remaining and when this started, which was in May, which was like 7 months ago or whatever. So like I said, this was my previous claim that I just reopened. I couldn't restart a new one, otherwise I would be making more money, I'm sure of it. And then this unemployment currently ends in May 28. If I can't find any work by then I will be good to go until May 28th, 2022, which is close to my 10-year electrical reunion, or my 10-year electrical anniversary. Someone called me, so that's why this video ended. And then over here in your online activity, you have other stuff, filing claims, notices, letters, electronic messages right there, and then any changes in your pay or whatnot that you can change right here. And then worst case, you can call their phone number or whatnot if you need any other questions answered or things changed. So that's kind of what it looks like for unemployment as an electrician. So monthly, if you're just doing 4 payments a week or 4 payments a month, that's about, for me, $2,908, compared to normally I would be getting probably 1,300 times 4, that would be 5,200. So as you can see, you can do 5,200 whatever by 2,900. It's just pretty much going to be the same amount, that 56%. So anyways, hopefully this helps you guys out. I'm running out of video ideas, so Like I said, as always, if you have a video idea that you want me to see answered, drop it in the comments below. Otherwise, you're just going to get whatever I can come up with. So this is what I came up with for today, and then I'll probably start install videos if I don't get any other questions, but I like to help you guys out. So if you got any videos you want answered or questions answered, I'll answer it in a video. I'll leave it in the comments below. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And check the description down below for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And follow along on Instagram. I do questionnaires sometimes about video ideas, so follow along there if you want to give me some video ideas there or in the comments. Thank you guys so much. God bless, and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.